What's up, nerds? I'm back for more Digimon content.
What's up, people? Welcome to Millennial Model Mayhem. My name is Liam, and today I'm gonna do a quick review of this figurized standard
amplified
Imperialdramon with the help of my girlfriend BlueParappa.
Don't you mean ghoul-friend?
The last review we did was of the figurized standard
Omegamon
amplified. So we're gonna see how this new Digimon model kit compares, as well as take a few small steps to level up BlueParappa's hobby skills. Now, without further delay, let's begin the review. Before doing anything fancy to the kit, we just did a quick snap build with 2 clips off the runner.
Sorry for the lack of ASMR clacks, it was private this time.
Right off the top, this is a big boy with a great shelf presence and that intense Digimon design aesthetic that we love.
But because of that aesthetic, there is barely any articulation in the Dragon mode, it's a brick.
And we had a lot of trouble with this arm piece falling off. Now to transform him into fighter mode, we first remove the head, and there goes that arm piece again. Remove the cannon, remove the big greaves from the legs, remove his abs, and there goes the arm piece again. And then we twist and push in to shorten these arm pieces. Open these hatches on the legs to extend them. Remove the missile pods to extend the thighs, and then put them back on. And I forgot to shorten the blue sections of the arms by also twisting and pushing. Then we put the fists on. And then we remove the red and white piece from the dragon head, which are gonna go onto the back. And the dragon face goes where the abs went. Then we place the fighter mode head on, and the greaves become shoulder pads. And there goes the arm again. Then the cannon gets placed on the arm. And we're done. I definitely prefer the look of the model in fighter mode, and there is slightly better articulation in this form. However, it suffers from the same problems as Omegamon, where the over-the-top design is limiting in the range of motion it can achieve.
Makes for an awful transformer though, so if you're looking for some sleek engineering, stick with the Autobots and Decepticons.
With our Omegamon kit, all we did was basic nub removal and black panel lining, so this time I wanted to show BlueParappa a couple easy steps that can really improve the look of our new boy. These steps were to use 3 different colors for panel lining using these Gundam markers, and then to use a mix of matte and gloss varnish, the gloss being used on the gold parts.
Also, we used the stickers, please don't be mad, woo.
And here's the final result. This kit is definitely an improvement from Omegamon's brittle and lackluster plastic, and it looked pretty good out of box, but those little extra steps we took really took it to the next level. What do you think, BlueParappa?
He'll look great on the Digimon shelf, and I enjoyed the build just as much as the Death Scythe Hell and the Goof.
Speaking of your Death Scythe and Goof, I think it's time to show off your growing plastic crack collection.
Why, of course, now I have Master Grade Death Scythe and his 2 sons, the Wing Gundam and Hello Kitty from last review video, the prototype Goof piloted by my best boy Rambaral, and these Persona Nendos.
Hey wait, those aren't Gunpla.
I mean, they're plastic and they have guns. What more do you need?
Oh, and don't forget the Freedom vs. Force Impulse set we built for Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching to the end of the video. Hopefully you found this review useful in deciding whether you want this Digimon on your shelf. Are there any other kits you'd like to see us review in the future?
Then annihilate that like button and leave a comment.
That's it for this video. Please subscribe for more Model Mayhem, and I'll see you in the next video. I wonder what my next project's gonna be.